My name is Stacey Ellis, and I'm the General Manager of the North Sydney Foodbank. So the North Sydney Foodbank was formed in 1994 by a group of folks who had little food banks in different churches and then realized they were helping all the same people. We are first and foremost now about not just being a food bank, we are a community organization. We help a lot of people with a lot of different needs. We're food, clothing, and shelter. We're growing food, attending the events, we're putting in the blood, sweat, and the tears, we're haggling for better deals, for better food. We're huge advocates for community. There's a lot of hardship right now, and being a food bank, we see that firsthand. Anytime I see people lined up for food, I just find it heartbreaking. We used to just have prepackaged hampers that volunteers would come in and then they would prepackage. People were still getting food, which is wonderful, but we had no idea if the people liked what we were giving them. We received funding through Nova Scotia Power's Grassroots program, and we were able to, with that funding, purchase a fridge and freezer for our new client shopping model. So with the client shopping model food bank, now people get the groceries they want to get. It's a grocery shopping experience without paying at the end. They get to just push along a cart and pick out what they want. A volunteer goes with them with our program called Foodbank Helper. The volunteer just scans the items that they're picking out. Every client gets 110 points per month, and so every month those points rotate again. So they can come as many times as they want, they can take as much stuff as they want until they use up their 110 points. Because of our partnerships, we can do the things that we do. Without them, there wouldn't even be an option. People now love seeing the North Sydney Food Bank. Everywhere I go, that's all I hear is about the North Sydney Food Bank. I'm very proud of that personally.